In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a plumbing company that has generated 19 leads in the last 30 days. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. Now let's dive into this campaign. We're going to be reviewing this from a 30-day window, as I mentioned. So we have a $91 per day budget set on this campaign. It has gotten 40 clicks. It has 19 conversions. It has a wonderful conversion rate of 47.5%. With a cost per lead of $110.45, and then a total campaign cost for 30 days of $2,098.46. On this particular campaign, we're driving both calls and lead form. So once the consumer reaches the page, they have the option of calling from a landline or mobile device, or they can fill out the application on the actual page itself, and then all those leads track back into this campaign. Let's take a look at the ad groups that we have going. So we have Boise Plumber, plumbing services, water heater repairs, sewer pipe cost, emergency plumbing company. So, and inside of each one of these, we have both the keywords and the ads themselves categorized. So if essentially Boise Plumber, we'll have anything that's closely related to Boise Plumber keywords will be in here. And then that same verbiage, Boise Plumber, also then communicated down on the ad itself. And then on this, we are currently doing a we're doing manual CPC with enhanced on of $36.55. Let's take a look at the keywords. So here are the keywords. Here are a few of the top keywords we're using: plumbers near me, plumber services, Boise Plumber, plumber Boise, plumbers Boise. Let's see here. Affordable plumbing services, plumbing services. So, and then you'll notice that we're using both exact match and phrase match. So exact match means that the whatever the consumer is searching for on Google has to pretty much be exactly formatted in plumbers near me. Or for phrase match, whatever they're searching for, plumber services has to be inside of whatever phrase that they searched in order for the campaign or the actual ad to show up for them. So if you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this one for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link down in the description below. It's super easy. Takes just a few minutes. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.